Software Spring. Presents. How to create a table to sort or filter data in Excel. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on creating a table for sorting or filtering data easily. Here are the topics of this tutorial. Intro to tables. How to create a table. How to sort data. How to filter data. How to remove a filter. How to remove the table format. Quick review. Intro to tables. Tables help to sort and filter data easily. Tables have other benefits, including automatic expansion of table when a new row or column is added. Let me add a tax column. Okay, the table has automatically expanded. How to create a table. First, select the data range you wish to convert it into a table. Click Format as Table. Select a table style. Let me select this table style. Click OK and deselect. Excel has converted the data range into a table. How to sort data. It's very easy to sort data in a table. Alright, let's look at the steps to sort data. Say you want to sort the product field in the ascending order. Click this down arrow. Click Sort A to Z. There you go, Excel has sorted the column in the ascending order. How to filter data. Filter data to view only data in which you are interested. The unfiltered data remains intact, but will be invisible. Remove filter to view all data again. Moving forward, here are the steps to apply and remove filter. Assume that you want to view data related only to mobile phones. Click the down arrow button. Uncheck Select All, and then check Mobile Phones, and click OK. Excel has displayed only the data on the product selected, and has temporarily hidden other data. Key point. Excel displays a filter icon on button of column to which a filter is applied. How to remove a filter. The two ways to remove a filter are: press the Ctrl and Z keys simultaneously, soon after applying a filter. Let me go ahead and press these keys. Click Select All in the Sort and Filter dialog. To demo this method, I will first apply the filter, and then remove it. Click the filter icon. Click Select All, and click OK. There you go, all the data is displayed again. How to remove the table format. Okay, here are the steps to remove the table format applied to the data. Select the table. Click Format as Table. Click Custom. Right-click on any cell of table. Move the cursor over table. Click Convert to Range. Click Yes. Excel has converted the table to a data range. Quick review. A table assists to sort or filter data in an easy way. A table expands automatically when you add new rows or columns. Filter feature enables to focus on just the data in which you are interested. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.